let's continue to crochet a bed. We've already made the head, and now let's make hands. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the next round we make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and then increase and repeat. 1, 2, increase, a slip stitch and a chain. And in the next round we make 8 single crochets without changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next part we make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, decrease and repeat. 1, 2, decrease, a slip stitch, a chain, and in the last round we make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch, a chain. Cut the thread and make the second hand in the same way. And now let's make the body. A magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread, a slip stitch in the first loop, a chain, and in the next round we make increase, and 1 single crochet and repeat. Increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and then increase and repeat 1, 2, increase 1, 2, increase, then we make a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make increase and then 1, 2, 3 single crochets and repeat, increase 1, 2, 3, and one more time, increase 1, 2, and 3, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 1, 2 single crochets, increase, then we make 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, a slip stitch and a chain. And in the next round we make 18 single crochets without changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 17, 18. In the next round we make 3 increases with 5 single crochets between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase, and 1. Now there are 21 loops in the round and we make the next 5 rounds without changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 21. A slip stitch and a chain. We've made 12 rounds and in the next round we make 3 decreases with 5 single crochets between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, decrease, and 1 single crochet. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round, we make 18 single crochets without changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 17, 18. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round, we make 6 decreases with 1 single crochet between them. Decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1, decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1, and go on. And in the last round, we attach hands. 1, 2, 3. Take the first hand, one, two, one, two, three, 4. Take the second hand, one, two, and 1 single crochet. A slip stitch, a chain, and cut the thread. Fill the body with fiber frill and sew the head. the body is ready, and in the next part we'll crochet the wings.